All right. Hi, Frank.
Hi, Linda.
Where are you and the date and what are we doing here?
Okay, today is Thursday, September
I think it's the 24th, 5th.
25th. September 25th, 2013. We are at Chip and Frank's Trout Stream behind Tabateca in Tabateca, Mississippi. We're here to return Chip to one of his favorite spots while he was here.
We have ashes. We have drinks to drink to him and something to say. So we'll start the next video. Hold on. Oh, what? You know what? Just do it. All right. Okay, I'm going to join you. Hopefully I don't fall in. All right, Chip. We are missing you, thinking of you the whole trip here. It's wonderful to revisit a lot of memories. I brought you Maluti beer that I'm going to stash under that little tea bowl right there, and hopefully we'll come back and find it again someday.
And I brought some special, this is a special liqueur, that an alcoholic herbal tonic that my mom made. It's called Wire. I don't know, I don't think, you may have tried it at one time. It's very strong, and it's a tradition in our family to toast someone with it. And unlike Linda, I'm not going to leave any for you. I'm going to drink it myself, which I think you'll understand. So,
all right, we're going to turn you loose, and we have something to say to you, Chip. As we turn you loose. All right, Chip. Ashes to stream to river, river to ocean. Have a good journey. Have an excellent journey. We love you.
And I also have one other, well, press the toast. Here's to you, Chip. It's been great being friends with you.
I'm speechless.
And I know that last time you were here, you didn't catch any fish. So to help you with that, I'm leading you with the best lure that I have with me. So this time, you'll have no excuse. It's a Panther Martin silver. Can't catch anything with this, then you shouldn't call yourself a fisher.
To you, Chip.
To you, Chip. Para hunting ability, and I will give you a little of the wire just because it's you. Wouldn't do this for anyone else.
And I'm going to stash your beer. I don't know if you can see me in there, but...
Hold on, let me take my camera.
All right.
Sorry, Chip, we have to do this with this is a two-camera take.
Maluti Premium Lager. You got it?
Yeah.
All right, there's some rocks here. I'm going to just stuff it down in there. Hopefully the herd boys won't find it before we get back here.
Good idea.
I'm going to put another rock over top. Oh, man. All right. There's a little pile of rocks that's right in there.
Excellent.